So today we're going to start day 7, multiplying binomials. So the first thing I want you to do is take a look at this warm-up, and can you explain why the diagram shows 6 times 3 plus 4 equals 6 times 3 and 6 times 4. So if you can see, so 6 times 3, that would be this box. This box would be 6 times 4. And if you were to look at the entire dimensions here, it would be the 6 times 3 plus 4. So if I was to draw a box that said 5x and 2, this would be 5 times x, and 5 times 2 is 10. So kind of like area length times width equals that area of the box. So when you multiply that out, it's called expanding this expression. Applying the distributive property to multiply out factors or expand. So like this one, 4x and 8 comes from 4 times x plus 2. You can multiply length times width. So this first one, if we were to show a diagram to show that n is 2n, and I'm going to put a plus 5 right there. So 2n times n, that area of the box, so this one is 2n squared. 5 times n is 5n. So this is 2n squared plus 5n. So this one here, again, we can multiply this out. So 6 1/3 n and 2. So I'll do this easy one. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1/3, well, that's 2n. So this is 2n plus 12. We have p, 4p plus 9. So this is 4p squared. P times 9 is 9p. So we have 4p squared plus 9p. And I noticed here, I can just start distributing it. So this is 5r squared plus 5 times 3/5 is 3r. And we can reverse distribute here. So not reverse, but just from the other side, 0.5w squared plus 7w. All right, so here's a diagram, and you'll notice we have multiple boxes here. So we're showing that x plus 1 and x plus 3 is equivalent to x squared plus 4x plus 3. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, x times 1 is x, 3 times 1 is 3. Well, those two together make 4x, so x squared plus 4x plus 3. So if we take a look at a couple of these, draw a diagram. So x plus 5 squared means each side is x plus 5. So you have x squared, 5x, and 5x, and 25. So there's a total of 10 x's. So this is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now this one, so we just have 2x and x plus 4. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. So this would equal 2x squared plus 8x. All right, so then we have another one here. 2x positive 1, x plus 3. So we have 2x squared, 1x, 6x, and 3. So that makes 7x. So we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. All right, and now we're dealing with just letters, but we can do the same thing. X and m, x and n, and you'll notice I always put the plus signs there. So x squared, xm, xn, and mn. So this one would be x squared plus xm plus xn plus mn. So let's see if you can do these last couple here. So you should get, when you multiplied this one out, your final answer should be x squared plus 8x plus 12, where this one should be 2x squared plus 20x plus 50. So if you didn't get those, double check your boxes. And again, I did it without because I've been doing this quite a few times. But again, write those out and double check. So as a reminder, when multiplying binomials, one thing I want to make sure we do is if you have a negative, make sure you put a minus 3. So if you had like, maybe it's 2x plus 4 and x minus 3, so we have 2x squared minus 6x, positive 4x, negative 12. You can combine your x's, so our total is 2x squared minus 2x minus 12.